First of all, I pay my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Paramaradha Guru Pad Padma, Om Vishnupad, Paramhamsa Swami, Ashtotara Sata, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, and Om Vishnupad, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I pay my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my spiritual grandsire, Nitya Lila Prabhupada Vishnupad, Sri Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Prabhupada Vishnupad, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all Gauriya Guru Vargas. I convey my Dandavat Pranam, all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavi assembled here. Welcome all guests to present today. We encourage you to take some Harikatha. Yesterday we are discussing the glory of Satsanga. On the way, Vinodji asking Maharaj, what will you speak today? I told I have not decided anything according to audience. We will think about that. Anywhere in the scripture, any Jivasita Satta, Treta, Dapar, Kali always give so much importance on Guru and Guru Seva. Why? You could not serve Bhagavan directly. Why you need any mediator or any spiritual broker or any agent? Why? We will go direct to Guru Bhagavan. Why need Guru? Bhagavan instruct himself. Prathamam tu gurum pujya tataschaiva mamarchanam tadesa bhagavad bhakti ihannatha nisphalo bhavet. Prathamam tu gurum pujya. Oh my dear devotee, if you want me, first you have to worship your Guru, then worship to me. If you follow this instruction, then you can get bhakti and perfection. Otherwise everything go in vain. So, Guru Karan, initiated by bona fide gurus, essential for this reason. Even mentioned, Bina Diksha Vihinasya Na Siddhi Na Sadgati Tasmat Sarva Prayatnena Guruna Dikshita Bhavet. Means, Bina Diksha Vihinasya, without initiation, no good destination and no perfection in bhajan. So have to please bona fide guru, have to initiated by him. Even Bhagavan Krishna, Bhagavan Ram and Bhagavan Mahaprabhu, they took initiation. लक्ष्मी जी कृष्ण के गुरु जी का नाम क्या है? विनोद बिहारी प्रभु बताइए। अक्षय जी
ये फेल हो गए तो मैं कैसे पास हूँ?
सुशील जी बताइए। भगवान कृष्ण के गुरु कौन है? बड़े माधव बताओ।
सांदीपनी सांदीपनी।
भगवान कृष्ण के गुरु जी कौन है?
वैसे तो राधा जी हैं बट
और भगवान महाप्रभु गुरु कौन है? चैतन्य महाप्रभु के। तो क्यों गंगादास क्यों नहीं कह रही है? उसको टोल में तो पढ़ा, तो उसके टोल में पढ़ा तो सांदीपनी बोल रही है, और महाप्रभु तो गंगादास के टोल में पढ़ा तो गंगादास होना चाहिए। और भगवान राम के वशिष्ठ ऋषि। भगवान कृष्ण के गुरु सांदीपनी नहीं है, वो स्कूल टीचर है। भगवान
उनका लड़का को उन्होंने जीवित किया था। I forgot the name.
So Sandipani Muni is not guru of Krishna, he is school teacher. Like Gangadas Pandit is school teacher of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In the same way, Sandipani was school teacher of Krishna, not his guru. Once Krishna always making joke and laughing and teasing gopis. One day Gopi told, Master sir, don't touch us, don't touch us. He said, why not? Gopi told, you are impure. Impure? How? I became impure. Today I not kill any demon. Because when Krishna killed Aristasur, it was form of bull. Then Gopi not allowed to touch gopis. Then you kill cow, bull, so you did Brahmahatta. So how I can get rid? Then Gopis told, you have to take bath each and every pilgrimage places. Then Krishna played on flute, called all tirthas, they came and they melt the Samkunda. Then Krishna took bath. Krishna telling, today I not kill any bull, any cow, anything. Why telling impure? Gopis told, you such kind of impure, even water touched by your hand, not pure. Krishna became surprised. Why not? Then Gopis told, because you are not initiated yet. Krishna, who told you? I am already initiated. You are always telling lie. Krishna told, okay, I am liar, I am pretender, I am cheater, no doubt. What do you think about my father? Oh, your father, very high class religious person. Due to your father and mother, you are living in Braj. Otherwise, long ago is supposed to abandon Braj. But then you have faith on my father? Well, yes. Well, you can ask my father or my guru. My guru is Bhaguri Rishi. And when I took initiation, my father take me to my guru. You can ask either my father or my guru Bhaguri Rishi. So Rupa Goswami Pad has explained in this thing, Ujjamin Muni.
महाराज भारद्वाज भी कहते हैं कि भगुरी ऋषि के
Bhaguri Rishi.
दूसरे हैं ना? हाँ.
और भरद्वाज तो त्रेता युग में. So each and every respect we have to give the priority of Guru. Even Bhagavan Krishna, Bhagavan Ram and Bhagavan Mahaprabhu has given. Why? it mentioned Haro Ruste Guru Strata, Guru Rustena Kaschana. If Bhagavan is angry, then what? If Sadguru is there, it please Bhagavan. But if Bhagavan, Gurudev is angry, Sadguru, Bhagavan never be happy with me and Bhagavan. Is Guru angry, Bhagavan not tell Guru, bestow his mercy this fellow, never. So direct we can go to Bhagavan, cannot go. I am giving some example. In Kali Yuga, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after renounced order, he has cherished desire to go to Vrindavan. But Srimad Nityananda Prabhu promised he will bring him to Santipur. So Nityananda Prabhu is Guru, Akhanda Guru Tattva, undivided Guru Tattva. So he brought him to Santipur. First what he did, Nityananda Prabhu going ahead, and like the T junction have to go this way, that way. In same way, there is a T junction, one road going towards Jamuna, another going towards Ganges. If someone follow the Ganges direction, can go to Navadvip, Santipur, everywhere. And Jamuna direction, to Allahabad, gradually go to Mathura, Vrindavan. Srimad Nityananda Prabhu, he found some cowherd boys. He told, after some time one madman will come. If he asks you what is the direction to go to Vrindavan, you can show this direction. Now question may arise, why boys will listen to Nityananda Prabhu? And when Mahaprabhu asking, they told this way, why not telling that way? Why? बोलो विष्णु नित्यानंद बात क्यों मान लिया उन लोगों ने, बच्चे लोगों ने, और महाप्रभु झूठ बोल दिए। नित्यानंद गुरु तत्व है, Nityananda Akhanda Guru Tattva. Not only that, the origin of all living soul, direct or indirect way, Baladev Prabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. So what he inspired, they bound to follow. Each and everybody's heart, Paramatma means super soul is there. So what super soul inspired, they will follow. Super soul is the part and part of Nityananda Prabhu. So they bound to tell this. So Nityananda Prabhu then went to Santipur and informed everyone Mahaprabhu is coming. He came there. And after that Mahaprabhu had desire to be in Jagannath Puri. So the Gurudev told, if Srimad Mahaprabhu will go to Vrindavan, the influence of Vrindavan Bhumi, the glory of Vrindavan Bhumi to manifest, Mahaprabhu, that Krishna himself. But what purpose he came? Premras Nirjas Korite Sadan. He want to taste the essence of Radhika's mood, cannot. So he think I will not go Vrindavan. But if he tell I will not go Vrindavan, then all will ask why not? He have desire to go Vrindavan. When his desire I will not go Vrindavan, I will go somewhere, place of separation. Then Yogamaya fulfill, rest what? Yogamaya spoke through Sachi Devi. Mother Sachi Devi told, Mahaprabhu told, Mother, I became mad and took renounce order. If you order me, then I may give up renounce order and I may be with you. So no, my dear son, no, don't do this. Because Shastra Janitvat, all scripture came from Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. Being his eternal mother, how she can speak against scripture? So no, my dear son, your father gone, your brother taken renounce order, only you are my hope. So it is intolerable for me, your separation. But somehow or other, I may able to tolerate your separation. But if you give up sannyas, come to me, all will criticize you, why you came back, due to your beautiful wife. And all people will tell you Bantasi. Bantasi means?
Sannyasi who, Pakhandi sannyasi.
Bantasi, vomit eater.
Yeah.
First eat, then vomit, again eating. In same way, first your householder, give up, again taking, coming in householder, called Bantasi. So someone asked Gurudev, oh Gurudev, if someone not enter household life, from brahmachari to being sannyasi, give up sannyas and enter in household life, then he will not be Bantasi. You don't know, he will be also double Bantasi. From brahmachari ashram, enter there, galloping household life and Vanprastha, enter sannyas, give up sannyas, enter household life, also Bantasi. एक बार याद है तुम बाजार में था, कोई ड्रामा कर रहा था, अंडरलाइन नहीं था, तो बोला ऐसे बहुत देखा, उसके बारे में बता रहा हूँ, नाम लेना नहीं चाहिए बता। इसने पूछा था, एक बार नहीं कोई बार पूछा। So no, if someone criticize you as a Bantasi and vomit eater, I cannot tolerate this. My dear son, what happened, happened. But I don't want to go to Vrindavan, I don't like this. Because so far, at that time, no motor vehicle, no train, no airplane, only bullock cart or by foot. So better you can stay in Jagannath Puri. Then every year people will go for Jagannath Cart festival. Sometime you may take bath in the Ganges, you can come here, then I can always get your information. Okay, mother, what you order, I will follow you. And he told, oh, everyone, what can I do? I had desire to go to Vrindavan, but my mother ordered me to be in Jagannath Puri, so I had to be. I have no other choice. Who spoke? Not mother, Jogmaya speaking through Jogmaya, Sochi Devi. So when Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri, what happened? Prataprudra king, you want to always take darshan of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu told no. Not agree at all. One day, so many devotees came, Sarva Bhattacharya, Nityananda Prabhu and others. Mahaprabhu, it seems to me, you want to speak something. Then who will speak? Then Nityananda told, yes, Prabhu, we are very scared to speak with you. If you not speak, then how will you know our desire? And what you can tell freely? Then Nityananda told that king is very good devotee. If you not give your darshan, then he will give up his kingdom and want to be street beggar. What? You want to meet with a sense-enjoyer person? Govinda, chalo Alamnath, will not stay here. All the request. Prabhu, this is our fear. Okay, Prabhu. Then you can give your one vastra, one cloth. By that, he can save his life. What is cloth? Srimad Nityananda Prabhu or Baladev Prabhu became cloth himself. They are serving Baladev Prabhu or Nityananda Prabhu in 10 ways. Cloth, chhatra, chamar, paduka, dham, asan, basan, bhusan, bed, all that either Baladev Prabhu or Nityananda Prabhu. So here cloth means mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Guru is happy. So Bhagavan bound to happy, give his cloth. After some time, after few days later, they are telling, oh Prabhu, Atma Boi Jayate Putra. One person himself became son because due to biological birth. So if you embrace, give darshan and embrace his son, then he can feel also that you are embracing him, giving darshan to him. Okay. They brought his son. His son also like same color, big eyes, and they dressed him like Krishna Pitambar. See Mahaprabhu, Uddipana of Krishna came, Mahaprabhu embraced him. And that boy got all 8 ecstatic symptoms. When he came back, his father embraced him, and he got also ecstatic symptom. So here, Hari means Bhagavan Mahaprabhu angry, don't want to give darshan, don't want to meet. But Nityananda is very pleased. Haro Ruste Guru Strata. So he gave darshan to him. After that, during chariot festival, Mahaprabhu manifests himself in 7 forms. The 4 Kirtan party in the front of Jagannath Dev cart, 1 back and 2 both side. So 7. Mahaprabhu dancing same time each and every place. Prataprudra has seen this. Why? Because Prataprudra do some menial service. Still nowadays, when Jagannath's cart will start, first king will broom, sweep in the front of Jagannath Dev. The handle made of gold and the coconut stick will broom. Unless until he will not do, car will not move. So maybe 15, 16 years, maybe 18 years back, someone told, why call to king? No need. Maybe 15 to 17 years in between. No need. Then they not inviting him. Pandi Vijay means they brought Jagannath Dev in the cart, not move at all. They tried so many ways. Some elderly person abused so many ways to all the pandas. Then the immediate brought king. King came when he sweep in the front of Jagannath, then cart start. From that time they never stopped. So, due to this service, Mahaprabhu became happy. So Mahaprabhu gave him darshan in 7 form at a time. This cart also Baladev Prabhu himself. Anything Krishna's asan, bhushan, jan. Jan means here like vehicle, also Baladev Prabhu or Nityananda Prabhu. So Nityananda is happy. After that, when Mahaprabhu going with chariot from Jagannath temple to Gundicha Mandir, in the midway Balagandi Uddan, one place, Jagannath will stop there. And everybody, whoever, how far, they will offer to Jagannath Dev, and Jagannath Dev accept everybody's offerings. So he is taking, Mahaprabhu became tired, he took shelter under a tree. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Rajaman, all that will now go and massage feet. Vaishnava Eva Guru, all qualified Vaishnava, they are our Siksha Guru. Diksha Guru one only, other than all are Siksha Guru. Bona fide either Diksha Guru or Siksha Guru, they are manifestation of Baladev Prabhu or Srimad Nityananda Prabhu. So, they told, give up your royal dress, and very simple dress you went, one dhoti, half here, half wrap on the neck, then massaging. Raja very expert to massage lotus feet, because every day is to massage lotus feet of Gurudev Kasi Mishra. Then massaging, Mahaprabhu told, who are reciting Jayati Te Dhikam Janamana Braja Shayata Indiya Sashadadrahi Daita Vrishata Dikshutabaka Daidita Sava Tang Vichinnate Tava Kathamritam Tatta Jivanam Kaviritam Kalmashapaham Savanamangalam Srimadatam Bhuvidrinandite Bhuvidajana. When it came, Mahaprabhu, who are you? You forced me to drink nectar. I am a mendicant, I have nothing. I can give my alingan only embrace. He embraced, and his life became successful. Did pranam. From externally, Mahaprabhu saying he does not know, but he knew everything to whom he is embracing. Why? Because all Vaishnavas and especially Srimad Nityananda were very happy with him. So Haro Ruste Guru Strata. In beginning, Mahaprabhu was very angry. If someone will tell, go to Alalnath, not stay here. And he became so pleased. Even after some time, he embraced king in front of everyone. Do you know this? When he embraced in front of everyone, knowingly, Mahaprabhu. So one place is there. When Mahaprabhu will go to Vrindavan, then he is arranging Prataprudra all the way, how to do, what to do, where, all arrangement he is doing. I am telling where you can get. So when he is doing arrangement, he embraced king, duty service, and Mahaprabhu's name became Prataprudra Samstrata. The Chaitanya Bhagavan, this is my copy. So why? Because due to Srimad Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda became very happy, so he became Haro Ruste Guru Strata. Please come. One lady was in Bolivia. She is no longer here.
She went on a holiday today. She went back to Bolivia today.
So this is the example of Kali Yuga. Haro Ruste Guru Strata. If Bhagavan is angry, but his Guru is happy, then he can make Bhagavan happy. He force him, and Bhagavan is sold him out in the hand of bona fide Guru or bona fide Vaishnava. So in Vaishnava Vandana it mentioned, Krishna se tomar, Krishna dite paro, tomaro sangoti ache, ami to kangal, Krishna Krishna boli, dhai tava pache pache. Oh Vaishnava Thakur, Krishna is your. What you want, anyone you can give your Krishna to him. So I am hankering after you, telling Krishna, Krishna, please give your Krishna to me. Same to bona fide Guru and bona fide Vaishnava. Now I am coming another example of Treta Yuga. In Treta Yuga, Maryada Purushottam Lord Ram is doing his pastime. So Lord Ram went to exile after destroying Ravan's dynasty. Because why he came? Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya cha duskritam, to demolish the duskriti. Means demon, all others. So after that he came. And in Lord Ram's Leela, Vishwamitra has very important role. In ancient tradition, father and mother, they choose bride for bridegroom. Bridegroom will not go to choose the girl. The parents will do everything. But for Lord Ram, not Dasharatha, Vishwamitra did everything. In ancient time, Guru or Guru Vargas, father or elder brother, used to do. So Vishwamitra did this. So Vishwamitra has very good role in Lord Ram's pastime. So after exile, Lord Ram became king. One day Vishwamitra Rishi came. Lord Ram immediate get off of his throne, put him, wash his feet. He and Sita Devi wipe his feet, did arati. Like whenever they are traveling, where going, all are doing same. Then when Lord Ram's assembly, so many small kings are there. One king was there named Sakuni, but not maternal uncle of Duryodhana. That was Dapati Treta Yuga. Narad said, hey, come to pranam to this. So Narad is telling how he can disrespect Narad Rishi. He is not doing pranam to Lord, Vishwamitra Rishi.
Why did Narad
Yes. Desire? Because Narad Rishi, his character is very funny. He told, Namti amar Narad Rishi badhai sudhu jhagda তাতে আমার আনন্দ যে মজা দেখো তোমরা। My name is Narad Rishi. I always make quarrel between husband and wife, father son, father daughter, mother son, mother daughter, relatives, friend. This is my job. And I became very happy. You can see some fun also. So don't do pranam. So Narad Rishi direct ordering how we can disrespect Narad Rishi. All coming to do pranam, he not came. And Vishwamitra became very angry. Ram, look, all are paying obeisance to me. That fellow not coming. He is disrespecting me. What? Even being a queue emperor, you are doing pranam to me. Everyone. But this Badmas, this wicked fellow not come to me. What will punish you? Him. Lord Ram told Prabhu, tomorrow after sunrise, his head must be on your lotus feet. Very good. Like in nowadays, when Samsad is going on, if anything happens, they postpone Samsad for that day. In same way, Lord Ram assembly postponed for that day. If somebody died or something happened, they postponed. Remember, it came from Lord Ram. They postponed assembly. And now all are here, there, then king is weeping so much. Now say, hey, why weeping so much? What happened? For this minute thing you are weeping? Then he told, oh Narad Rishi, you are mendicant, what you know? The pleasure of household life. If I die, because who can save me from Lord Ram's arrow? I have young baby, my beautiful young full youth wife, they will die, my parents will, I am one son of my parents. So for me, my wife, my parents, my son, 4. For one, 4 will die. Oh Narad, what you did? Stop, don't do it, don't lament. So what I shall tell you, follow me? Yes, because there is no other choice. What will do, I will follow you. But then stop weeping. Go to Anjana Devi. Anjana is the mother of Hanuman. We went Anjana Parvat, had Hanuman born. In South India you went there. So go there. And Hanuman's mother is very, very kind, very generous and very soft-hearted. Going there, he had to weep bitterly, had to hit your forehead against the floor. Then mother will come, what happened my dear son? You have to tell that please order your son to protect me tomorrow after sunrise. But don't tell who will kill you. Don't tell this, then everything will spoil. Okay. Even when Hanuman will come, then Hanuman will ask, when he promise, then tell that he will kill you, before not. Okay. In this world, 3 personalities promise their mother, whenever their mother call, they will come to mother, fulfill his or her order. Who is the 3 personalities? And second?
Bhishma Pita.
हनुमान जी है
3 है, हनुमान तो 1 हुआ, तो ठीक है, आंसर ठीक है. Who is telling Mahaprabhu? Okay. And third? No. 3 personalities there in Kali Yuga Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu told Sachi Mata, oh mother, whenever you call me, I will come. So when mother cooking so nice, oh my Nimai like this, that. So Mahaprabhu came immediate and eat. So what happened? Maybe I have not cooked. Oh, maybe cat has eaten. Again you clean, again, oh, the prasad is everything there, again, no part. When Mahaprabhu sent Jagadananda or Damodar Pandit, he told, mother cooked this, this thing, this, everything he told, give list. I came and eat, mother thought that he saw any dream. I sitting in front of mother, I am eating, mother thing, he sees dream. So in Kali Yuga, one personality is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Promise his mother. And second, in Treta Yuga, in Dapar Yuga, Vasudev. Vasudev promised his mother, Satyavati, because when he came from Parasar, he told mother, whenever you call me, I will come. Vasudev promised. And Tretaju Hanuman promised. So he went there and hitting his forehead on the against the floor, weeping so much. Hearing his lamentation, Mother Anjana came. My dear son, what happened? Why weeping? What happened? The mother heart is very soft. Okay, what happened? Tell me. Oh mother, I am under your shelter. Please give me shelter. Okay, what? Tell me, why weeping? Please ask your son Hanuman to protect me tomorrow. Someone want to kill me after sunrise. Oh, for this minute thing you are weeping so much? When I order my son, it will done in a click. He is thinking, for me everything very big. Narada is telling this is a minute thing. Anjana is telling very minute thing. My life is in danger. They are saying minute thing. Okay. Anjana close eyes. Hanuman from Ajodha. One jump came and did, mother, any danger come to you? Why calling me? My dear son, I give shelter to this fellow. He is weeping so much, I could not tolerate. So somebody want to kill him tomorrow after sunrise, you have to protect him. Okay, mother, no problem. Then Sakri told, you have to promise 3 times. Okay, I will protect you, I will protect you, I will protect you. Okay. Go and sleep, take rest. Tomorrow, before sunrise, come to me. Whose life is danger, especially when Bhagavan will kill him. Daytime he seeing the all stars. Then he is light. Not seeing the sun, only seeing the stars. Hanuman told, who kill you? But Bhagavan Ram. What? Bhagavan Ram? Why not tell me as before? I have to fight with my Prabhu. I never think in dream. Oh. You did blunder mistake. But what I promised to my mother, I must do this. But tell me, who tell this to? Who can ask you to come to my mother? Narada says, oh, now I understood. The troublemaker person has told this. What happened? Then he told the whole story. Okay, now I understood. A troublemaker person did this. Okay. He could not sleep even 1 second. Then one even love. So before sunrise, before Brahma Muhurta he came. And Lord Ram, every day after sunrise, he do pranam to Suryadev, Surya Stuti, because he came in Sun dynasty. After doing Surya Puja, he told Vishwamitra, I am going to bow and arrow. He is omniscient. And seeing Ram, Hanuman is there, he came behind. Hanuman told, come my back. He came. Lord Ram told, Hanuman, yes, Prabhu did pranam. Move out from here. Prabhu, why? What? Hanuman, don't disturb me. What I am telling, follow my order. Prabhu became never angry with me. What offense done by me became so angry? Hanuman, don't delay, I don't want to delay 1 second. Move immediate. Prabhu, why? Lord Ram became very hot. Hanuman became very cool. Prabhu, why? What happened? Please tell me. Lord Ram told, I promise to Vishwamitra Rishi to kill this fellow. His head will be on his lotus feet. I cut off his head and put on the lotus feet of Vishwamitra. Why, Prabhu? He not did pranam to Vishwamitra Rishi. He not honor. Prabhu, I promise I protect him. None can kill him. If you want to kill him, first you have to kill me. I have to walk through my dead body. Then you can reach to him. Then Hanuman took his club. Jai Sri Ram. Prabhu, how many arrows you have penetrated my heart? Then you can reach him. Lord Ram told Hanuman, how I can use any arrow to you? I cannot do that. In the meantime, Narada is watching everything. He came down, जय राम जय राम जय जय राम, जय राम जय राम जय सिया राम। राम राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। And came down, did pranam, Prabhu, why you are fighting? You say what happened? Suppose Narada knows nothing. Then Lord Ram told Narada, I am in a horns of a dilemma. What happened, Prabhu? If you are in a dilemma, then what will be the result of this world? What happened? Then Lord Ram told Narada, yesterday this fellow not do pranam to Vishwamitra Rishi. So I promised to Vishwamitra Rishi, his head will be today on his lotus feet. Adar and Hanuman promise, he will protect him. So what shall I do? Puneet! So Lord Ram is telling, oh Narada, what shall I do? Because yesterday this fellow not respecting Vishwamitra Rishi. So I promised Vishwamitra Rishi that tomorrow after sunrise his head will be on the feet of Vishwamitra Rishi. So I have to kill him. Okay, Prabhu. Prabhu, this minute thing you are very early. ये लोग भी आए तो आ जाओ, फिर दोबारा बता देता हूँ। So in the assembly of Lord Ram, सुनो देवान जी सुनो। So सुन लो। So विश्वामित्र ऋषि एक बार राम के सभा में आए, जब भगवान राम रावण वध करके आने के बहुत साल बाद। सब लोगों ने उनको सम्मान किया। एक व्यक्ति था, एक राजा, छोटा सा राजा, उनको सम्मान नहीं किया। नारद उनको प्रणाम मत कर। तो विश्वामित्र देखा सब लोग प्रणाम कैसे किया नहीं, तो राम से बोला, राम अब क्या करोगे इसका? बताया, प्रभु कल सूर्य उदय के उपरांत इसका सिर आपके चरण में रहेगा, मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ। फिर सभा भंग कर दिया और वो बेचारा रो रहा है। नारद से कहा, थोड़ा तुच्छ चीज के तू रो क्यों रहा है? बोले, नारद जी आप तो सन्यासी हैं, आप क्या जानते हैं गृहस्थ का सुख। मैं मर जाऊंगा तो मेरी बीवी मर जाएगी, मेरा छोटा बच्चा मर जाएगा, मेरा माँ बाप मर जाएगा, मैं माँ बाप के एक लत्ता लड़का हूँ। ऐसे मैं जो कहूंगा तू मानेगा मेरा बात? हाँ जी, तो उपाय तो नहीं है। बोले जा हनुमान के माता जी के पास जाके रोने लगना। जब मैया पूछेगी क्यों रो रहे हो, तो बताना मुझे कल कोई मारना चाहता है, आप अपने बेटा हनुमान को आदेश दो, कल मुझे रक्षा करे सूर्यास्त। चुटकी बात में कर दूंगी। हनुमान अपने माँ से प्रतिज्ञा किया। हनुमान जी त्रेता युग में, द्वापर युग में व्यासदेव जी और कलि युग में चैतन्य महाप्रभु अपने माँ से प्रतिज्ञा, जब भी बुलाएंगे वो लोग आएंगे। तो बुलाया, हनुमान जी आ गए, मैया कोई आपत आ गया, क्यों बुला रही हो? तो बता, ये मेरा आश्रित है, कोई काल उनको मारना चाहता है, इनको तुम रक्षा करना। ओके मदर, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। वो राजा ने कहा, आपको हनुमान जी से आपको 3 बार प्रतिज्ञा करना पड़ेगा। हनुमान त्रिशत कर लिया। बोले जा तू घर में जा, कल सुबह सुबह आ जाना। बोले कौन मारेगा? बोले भगवान राम। अरे बेटा, भगवान राम मारेगा? तू मुझे प्रभु से लड़ा देगा? ये सच सच बोल, कौन तुझे मेरे पास भेजा? बोले नारद ऋषि। अच्छा, तो प्रॉब्लम मेकर पर्सन ने भेजा। ठीक है, जो मैं अपने माँ से प्रतिज्ञा किया मैं निभाऊंगा। दूसरे दिन सुबह होते ही, आई एम स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी, अगेन आई स्पीक इंग्लिश। आई स्पोक इंग्लिश ऑलरेडी, सो फॉर देम स्पीकिंग हिंदी। Just I am repeating in Hindi. तो हनुमान बोले जा चल जा। उनके दिन में तारे दिख रहे हैं, सूर्य नहीं दिख रहा है। जिनको भगवान राम मारेगा उसको सूर्य कैसे दिखेगा। दूसरे भगवान राम सूर्य पूजा करके तीर धनुष लेके आए। हनुमान तुम मेरे पीछे चले जाओ। वो चला गया। भगवान राम कह रहे हैं हनुमान जी प्रभु हटो इधर से। प्रभु क्या हुआ? हनुमान मेरा समय बर्बाद मत करो, जल्दी हटो। प्रभु मैंने क्या गलती कर दिया, क्या गुनाह हो गया मुझसे, आप इतना बिगड़ रहे हैं? हनुमान जो कह रहा हूं सुनो, मैं प्रतिज्ञा किया काल इसने विश्वामित्र ऋषि का सम्मान नहीं किया। मैं प्रतिज्ञा किया आज उनका सिर को काट करके और उनका सिर को मैं उनके चरण में रखूंगा। हनुमान जी ने कहा मैं प्रतिज्ञा इसका रक्षा करूंगा, आपको इसको मारना ही है, पहले मुझे मारे फिर उनको मार सकते हैं। हनुमान तुझे कैसे मालूम है, कैसे तीर चलाऊं तेरे ऊपर? इधर नारद ऋषि आकाश से उतरे। जय राम जय राम जय जय राम जय राम जय राम जय सिया राम। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। तो प्रभु क्या हो गया? Now I'm coming in English. Then what happened? Then the Lord Ram told him, Narad, what shall I tell you? Yesterday Vishwamitra came in my royal assembly. All respect him, only this fellow not respect. So I promise, today I take his head and put in the lotus feet of Vishwamitra Rishi. Lord Ram very angry. Hanuman, who is Hanuman Shivji, his guru. But Hanuman pleased with that fellow. Haro Ruste Guru Strata. How we save him? And Narad also Guru. So Bhagavan angry and other side two gurus very happy with that person. Narad Prabhu, for this insignificant thing you are very worried. Then Sakuni think again. Everything Narad received for insignificant thing. In his dictionary no significant. Everything insignificant. Lord Ram told Narad, this is insignificant. Yes, Prabhu. This is very minute thing, insignificant. Prabhu, you promised the king, promised Vishwamitra Rishi, his head will be on his lotus feet. This is the yes. Prabhu, I can solve this. Okay, how come? Let us go. Vishwamitra sitting there. Lord Ram, Hanuman, Narad Rishi and that fellow, four entered there. Narad asked, oh Rishiva, what Prabhu Ram promised to you? Vishwamitra told, his head will be my lotus feet today. Is this true? Vishwamitra, yes. Then Narad asked Bhagavan Ram, Prabhu, what you promised? His head will be on the feet of Rishi Vishwamitra, yes. Prabhu, why making delay? He's in front of you, hold his head, put on his lotus feet. You never promised a chop of his head. This is easy solution. Then Narad Rishi hold Lord Ram said, Prabhu, hold his hair very tightly. I Badmas, why not doing pranam to him? Then Lord Ram hold his hair and put the lotus feet of Vishwamitra Rishi. Here Lord Ram is angry, very angry. But Guru Narad Rishi and Hanuman very happy. What happened? Put his head down, get mercy of Lord Ram, Hanuman, Narad Rishi and Vishwamitra Rishi. Why? Haro Ruste Guru Strata. Hari was angry, but Guru is happy. इनमें तुम्हें बता देता हूँ. तो now I finish my class. I am telling for our pujari. So नारद से कहा प्रभु ये छोटी सी बात करें इतने चिंता कर रहे हैं. पर नारद ये छोटी बात है. मैं इतना बड़ा प्रतिज्ञा किया, मेरा मन सब कैसे रहेगा? तो मैं समस्या का समाधान कर दो. चलिए. लॉर्ड राम, भगवान राम, हनुमान जी, नारद जी और चारों प्रवेश किया. नारद जी ने पूछा विश्वामित्र जी से, प्रभु राम ने क्या प्रतिज्ञा किया? आज सुबह सूर्य उदय के बाद इसका सिर मेरा पैर चरण में रहेगा, यही प्रतिज्ञा है? हाँ यही प्रतिज्ञा है. नारद ऋषि भगवान राम से पूछा, प्रभु आपने क्या प्रतिज्ञा किया था? जो ऋषि कर रहे बोला हाँ यही प्रतिज्ञा है. तो इस छोटी सी बात के लिए इतना चिंतित हो रहे हैं? आपने तो नहीं कहा कि इनका सिर को काट करके देंगे? ए बदमाश, प्रणाम क्यों नहीं किया? प्रभु जी इसको केस को पकड़िए, पकड़ जबरदस्ती उनके चरण में नवा दीजिए। नारद जी से राम भगवान राम का हाथ पकड़ उनके सिर में लगा दिया। राम भगवान राम ने सिर को पकड़ करके इसमें झुका दिया उनके चरणों में। देखते हरो उष्टे गुरुस्त्राता, भगवान राम क्रोधित थे उनको सिर को देने के लिए। हनुमान जी गुरु है, नारद जी गुरु है, दोनों गुरु प्रसन्न होने के कारण दोनों गुरु की कृपा मिली, विश्वामित्र ऋषि की कृपा मिली, भगवान राम की कृपा मिली। हरो उष्टे गुरुस्त्राता गुरु उष्टे न कश्चन। भगवान इज एंग्री but if Sadguru is happy, then Sadguru easily to make please to Bhagavan. So what I have heard from Srila Gurudev, I present like a postman. Now Gurudev not in his manifest past, physical manifest past time, I am giving my exam to you all, your examiner. I don't know how much mark you will give. All credit go to Gurudev. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpataru bhaskati basindu bhayevacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namo. I give example of Kali Yuga and Dwapar Yuga. In future sometime Dwapar and Treta. Dwapar and Satya Yuga will remain there for other time. We class में note कर दो फिर बीच में धीरे-धीरे repeat किया जगह से. Anybody any question? Please mention. Any doubt? Please speak out. इसलिए तुम्हें पूछा क्योंकि कुछ कहने पर अंजलि बद्ध करके बोलना पड़ता है ना। तुम्हारा नाम अंजलि है इसलिए बोल रहे हैं। इतना तो समझ लो कम से कम। कल सुबह हम लोग को 4 बजे निकलना है, देर नहीं करेंगे। जल्दी से प्रसाद दो, अब जाना है हम लोग।
महाराज जी छोटा सा प्रश्न है पर इसके
हाँ छोटा सा बड़ा सा कोई चिंता नहीं।
महाराज जी जैसे हम लोग अपने ऑर्गन डोनेट करते हैं मरने के बाद, जैसे कहते हैं कि अपना ऑर्गन डोनेट करो, किडनी आईज ऐसे करके, तो अगर हम लोग किसी कर्मी लोगों को मतलब हमारा ऑर्गन डोनेट होता है हमारे जाने के बाद, तो और वो कर्मी है, मटेरियलिस्टिक है और मीट खाता है और जैसे और तो उसका क्या हम लोगों को फिर उसका मिलेगा? मतलब
तुम्हारा डोनेट करने की इच्छा है?
महाराज जी जैसे एक जनरल क्वेश्चन है जैसे, पर हम तो जा चुके हैं, हमारा तो जो होना है उस टाइम हो चुका है।
This question has come to Gurudev so many times. This question, Gurudev told, I will request my devotee not to donate any organ because they will misuse. You have to get karma also, reaction. No, never.
But if we know that if it's going to a devotee, then it's fine.
How you know it go to devotee or not? How you know?
ब्लड भी डोनेट नहीं करना चाहिए।
ब्लड तो बार बनता है ना, उसमें कोई ये नहीं।
But in the countries that is not mandatory, because there are some countries that is mandatory.
Which country is mandatory?
Argentina.
That I don't know.
Yeah.
We are lucky we are not in Argentina.
Yes, very lucky they are not in Argentina. Not Buenos Aires.
Yeah, then it's not.
And if somebody died within 2 hours, maybe you have to take the organs out. More than it not. No more.
No blood donation also.
ब्लड वो तो सब समझ ब्लड सेल देर होता है फिर जी तो उसमें कोई ये नहीं है।
So no.
Because it may go to a wrong person.
Any other question please?
सर ऐसे डोनेशन के लिए भी बोलते हैं, दान भी नहीं देना चाहिए किसी को, बाहर वाले कोई भीख मांगते हैं तो
देना चाहिए।
देना चाहिए, पर एक बार उसका भी मन महाराज ने बोला कि अगर आप देते हैं तो उसका क्रेडिट भी प्राप्त हो जाता है, अगर वो बिना शराब पी लेते हैं कुछ कर सकते हैं।
जब किसी को दान देते हो तुम तो जानते नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो कोई भी अच्छा व्यक्ति तो आ सकता है, उसको तो नेग्लेक्ट कर रही हो ना, तो उसका तो रिएक्शन मिलेगा ना। यदि कोई मांगते, मैं देखा गुरु जी को कोई आते हैं,
सबसे अच्छा प्रसाद
सबसे अच्छा प्रसाद देना है।
प्रसाद तो देते पर पैसे कई बार खाते हैं, प्रसाद में सर गाड़ी में किसी को पैसे दे दें तो ठीक है नहीं,
कुछ बिस्किट रखना गाड़ी में भोग लगा कर। हम लोग जाते हैं, आप जब दिल्ली से आते हैं, आप जाते हैं लोग बांध के फल रख के दे देते हैं। लो प्रसाद लो, देर मत करो।